The clutch-type pulley is attached to the drive end of the alternator shaft. It's used to reduce the vibrations caused by the normal operation of the alternator. A smoother running accessory drive will be quieter and reduce belt wear. In this video, we'll show you how to replace one of these pulleys. The pulley is threaded onto the alternator shaft in the opposite direction of normal rotation. You'll need a special tool that has one component to hold the alternator shaft and another that connects to the pulley so you can unscrew it. In many cases, the pulley can be replaced while the alternator is in the vehicle. The pulley has a plastic cap covering the threads. If the cap has not been removed, do so now. Remove the drive belt and ensure you note the routing. Select the correct tool to engage the alternator shaft and the tool to hold the alternator pulley in place. On right-hand thread alternator shafts, you'll need to loosen the pulley in a counterclockwise direction, and on left-hand threaded units in a clockwise direction. Once you break the pulley loose, it should spin off. The new pulley should come with a new plastic cap. If it's already installed in the pulley, carefully remove it by installing a rod through the pulley bore and pressing it out. Thread the new pulley on the shaft and spin it on gently. Use the special tools to tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications. Install the plastic cap with the numbers facing the alternator. Finally, reinstall the belt and run the engine to check operation. This job's done.